everybody, it's Alexa, and I have a super cute project. If you would like custom copper planters for indoor plants or herb gardens, I have got just the project for you. It uses copper contact paper and a carton like this, and then I have an herb ready. I have some fertilizer, and I have a bag of soil right here. I also have some tape to help keep the paper down, and some scissors, a knife. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is carefully use a knife. And one thing I discovered by doing this one is we want to leave a little edge on the top for structural integrity. So one side I did not do that, and it bows out a little bit. So it's better to leave a little bit of an edge. So the nice thing about contact paper is it's got the grid on the back. So you can say we need this much, and what I do is I like it to overlap over here. So we need a little grid there. We're going to come down and one more. So we're not going to cover the whole bottom. We'll just go enough to hold it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, it doesn't stick super well. So right away, we're going to take some tape. And then here, you want to snip those edges a little bit. And it's just like wrapping a gift. And put another piece of tape down here. Okay. This one I'm not going to overlap on the bottom so much because I want to make sure to get the top. So let's get some tape. That looks pretty good. Now comes the harder part, the front. So take off the cap. Doesn't that look pretty? So what we're going to do is just cut. What we need to do is cut a hole in the middle, like that. Then cut either side, like that. Keep making little snips, and now you have it. Now take your cap and okay, so now we're going to put some dirt in here. So here's the finished product. Here's our plant. Spread out the roots a little bit and stick your plant in there. But just a tiny bit, like this much fertilizer in there. And this is organic fertilizer, which is nice, made from algae and alfalfa meal or something like that, not from chemicals.